This tutorial shows you how to add text to your card. So as you can see, I've got my Save Card pulled up. I'm going to go ahead and click on the inside of my card. We've got a blank card canvas here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Embellishments tab over here to the left. And my very first item in each tab is what we call a text box. And if we want to add text, we'll simply drag this box to our canvas or our card. And then to edit, we're going to go ahead and double click. Now I've got my message all typed up, so I'm going to go ahead and paste it here. Now as you can see, it's all plain. It doesn't have a fun font or anything like that. So what I can do is either highlight it with my mouse, or for you PC users, you can actually use Control A on your keyboard to highlight the entire text. So I want to change my font by clicking here. From my drop-down menu, I'm going to go ahead and choose Comic Sans. And I'm going to go ahead and make this big enough for Grandma to read, so we'll go ahead and make it 28. And I'm going to go ahead and choose a color here, and then we can center, right adjust, etc. by clicking here. And then simply add text to card. Now as you can see, my text box isn't quite big enough to show my entire message, so I'm going to want to drag that text box open so I can see my message. Then I'm going to arrange it where I want it. Now remember, your card is a landscape large folded, as you can see over here under type, and we have plenty of room, so don't be afraid to make that text huge. I'm going to go ahead and drag a second text box on here and show you our rotating function. I'm going to go ahead and highlight using Control A on my PC, and I'm going to go ahead and make this Broadway. I'm going to make it as big as I can. Let's say 72. Then I'm going to add text to my card. Now as you can see, my text box isn't big enough, and if I wanted to rotate it, I want to go ahead and do that. Now keep in mind, because we allow the rotating function, you can only have one font, one color, and one orientation in each text box. But as you can see here, we can have separate text boxes and different font, no problem.